I'm super excited because I found a niche that is super simple and easy to start and run. The videos take less than 5 minutes to create, and this niche generates over $3,000 every single month. This is Boost Money channel. If you want to stay updated on new online money making methods, subscribe to this channel and hit that bell to get notified whenever new videos are uploaded. To get started, all you have to do is first come over to YouTube so you can see what others are doing and then model what has worked for them. So here you can see greatest Bible verses. You can see that this one was done 4 years ago and it has gotten 2.3 million views and 38 views per hour. This other one right here, 4 Bible verses that changed my whole life, has gotten 2 million views 3 years ago with 28 views per hour at the moment. This one right here, encouraging Bible verses to dwell on, has gotten 8 million views. It was done 4 years ago with 324 views per hour at the moment. So now let's go ahead and use this for our tutorial. Let me quickly show you how to do this, and it's very simple. All you have to do is come over to ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT to give us 50 greatest Bible verses with the meaning of each verse. And then just go ahead and click the send button. So now you can see the ChatGPT is generating the 50 powerful verses along with a brief breakdown of their meanings. The next thing we are going to do is go ahead and copy this, and we are going to paste it on Google Docs without formatting. So now I have it like so, and the next thing I'm going to do is go ahead and copy and paste into our AI voiceover. And for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm just going to go ahead and go with 11labs.io. There's also Clipchamp. Clipchamp is amazing and it's equally free, so you can use that as well. You don't need to pay for the service just yet. So right here in 11labs.io, I'm going to come under text to speech. The next thing I'm going to do is go over to Google Docs and copy as many verses of scripture as possible. Now come over to 11labs.io for the voiceover, paste the selected verse, then you can choose a voice. There are a lot of voices here to choose from, but I'll be sticking with Alice because it's a female voice. After selecting the voice of your choice, you can just go ahead and generate speech. Now you can just go down here and click on the download button to download our voiceover.
Jeremiah 29:11. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans for welfare and not for evil, to give you a future and a hope. Meaning, God has good plans for our lives. He wants us to be happy and safe, and He promises to take care of us and give us hope for tomorrow.
The next step is very simple, getting an image. There are a lot of platforms where you can download copyright free images totally for free, and Adobe Express and Pixabay is one of them. So let's use Pixabay to create this. So we will just type in what we want. Type in open Bible and click enter. So we are just going to go ahead and scan through to see which one we are going to use. We have a lot of beautiful photos here. So I'm just going to go with this one. I'll select 920 by 1280 resolution and click download, and we will have it downloaded. One more thing you can do to use this style is simply come back to ChatGPT. You're going to attach the image that we just downloaded from Pixabay, and we're going to simply tell ChatGPT to generate an image like this, and then just click this arrow, enter. I'm not 100% confident using something that is in open space, because a lot of people will download almost the same image and use it in their videos. At some point, YouTube might even start flagging it as reused content, so it's advisable to generate your photos with AI. And here we'll have it. You can see that it has created the image for us and it's looking very good. All I have to do now is click on the image and then go ahead and click save to download this to my device. And now our image is ready. Next, we are going to go over to CapCut and piece everything together. This is where it gets interesting, because it's very easy from this point now on. Now that we have CapCut open, the next thing we are going to do is click on import to import the image and voiceover that we downloaded. The next thing we are going to do is drag the image to our timeline, and because they are both selected, they all came into the timeline together. Now we're going to click on the image and then go over to ratio to make sure that it is set to 16:9. That's the YouTube format. We're going to select 16:9 and we have this. So we can adjust the photo to meet the standard. Next, we are going to compress this, go over to the image and drag the image to cover the audio until where the audio ends. Then we're going to put in the captions, because it's very important for this type of video to have captions. To do that, we're just going to click on the voiceover like so, go over to captions up here and click on generate. To create the captions using the voiceover. Alright, now you can see that it had generated the captions for us. Next, we are going to bring the captions up here. Then go to animation. I love choosing the first one because it's very simple. And we're going to adjust the font size a little bit. You can change the font style. And then we can just scroll through to see how it appears. It's fitted at the middle and it's not covering the screen. It's very visible. The reason I place the caption up here is because YouTube generates auto captions, and if our caption is at the bottom, they would conflict with YouTube auto captions, and it won't be readable. That's why I push the captions to the top. One more thing we need to do is to add sound effects. Ensure you get copyright free sounds for your YouTube videos. I'm going to import the music for this video. Once imported, we will drag and drop the sound. Then we'll have to reduce the volume so it doesn't conflict with the voiceover. And we have to adjust our background music to fit into the original length of the entire video we are trying to make. Finally, we'll play everything back to see how it looks and sounds.
Jeremiah 29:11. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans for welfare and not for evil, to give you a future and a hope. Meaning, God assures us that his plans are for our good, offering hope and a future, even during difficult times.
So the next thing we are going to do is confirm that everything is okay. And since everything is okay, the next thing we are going to do is go ahead and click on export. It's quite easy to do once you get a hang of it. You just have to put in the work and know that you need to make a lot of videos, post regularly, be consistent, and know that it's not going to happen by magic. It takes time for your YouTube channel to build momentum and get monetized. And that's it for today. If you learned and enjoyed watching this video, please give us a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell to be updated with our new videos. Once again, this is Boost Money channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.